Good evening, students. Today we will begin with the second chapter of algebra, that is quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. So what do you mean by quadratic equations? Quadratic equations means those equations whose highest order is 2, that is of the degree 2. Now the general form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Means something x square plus some x plus c equal to 0. Now you can see that the degree is 2. Degree of this equation is 2 because the highest power is square, that is 2. Now A is known as coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. B is known as coefficient of x, and C is known as the constant term. And the general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So when you are given an equation and told to write in the standard form of quadratic equations, you have to bring everything to the left hand side. You will first write the x square term, then the x term, then the constant. Okay. So this is the introduction of quadratic equations. Your first exercise deals with just identifying the terms, the coefficients, and whether the equation is quadratic or not. Very simple. You have to just go and check the highest power of the variable x. If it is 2, then it is a quadratic equation. Okay? Clear? Now here you can see an activity where you can see there are polynomials given over here. First is x square plus 3x minus 5. This is on page number 31 of your algebra textbook. Second is 3x square minus 5x, and the third polynomial is 5x square. You have to just observe the coefficients and fill up the boxes. Now coefficient of x square. In all the three polynomials they are asking. So first polynomial x square plus 3x minus 5, the coefficient of x square is 1. In the second, coefficient of x square is 3, and in the third, coefficient of x square is 5. Now you can see that the third polynomial was only 5x square. So we wrote it in proper form, 5x square plus 0x plus 0, writing all the three terms. The second one also 3x square minus 5x, there is no constant term, let it be 0, we will wrote plus 0. Then coefficients of x, first one it is plus 3, second one minus 5, and third one is 0. And constant terms are minus 5, 0 and 0. Okay. On the same page 31 you have another one more activity. That is, they have given you the quadratic equation and you have to now write it in the general form. So the first one, x square minus 4 equal to 0, you can see that there is no middle term, that is the x term. So x square plus 0x minus 4 equal to 0. And then you have to write the value of a, b, c, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. Then you have y square is equal to 2y minus 7. So y square minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. Take everything to the LHS and then fill up. Okay, so do this activity also, which is there on the page number 31. Now here there are some solved examples given. They have given you some equations and you have to find out whether they are quadratic or not. So the first one, 3x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. You will write down comparing with ax square minus plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to 3. Therefore it is a quadratic. Second one, 9y square plus 5 equal to 0. You will write 9y square plus 0y plus 5 equal to 0. Again write the statement comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a is equal to 9, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to 5. So this is also quadratic. Third one, you have m cube minus 5m square plus 4 equal to 0. Now this here you will write that the degree of the polynomial is 3, so it is not a quadratic equation. You cannot have a cube. Square has to be the highest one. Fourth one is L plus 2 L minus 5 equal to 0. You multiply both the brackets. You know how to multiply. L into bracket L minus 5 plus 2 into bracket L minus 5. Multiply, open up the bracket, and then again compare and write.